Right, here we have another gold tutorial by WeMakeMints.com. This is basically going to tell you what we think is going to happen on gold. We've had this head and shoulders, and we've formed a channel as well that's contained the price very well. We hit support and then bounced out of it, but only to be stopped dead at the blue neckline. If we zoom in, we can show you just how important this neckline, trend line, whatever you want to call it. It's a neckline to the head and shoulders, which we traded quite well. Basically, the price has come up and stopped dead at that average and the trend line. And if you look in gold, there's a habit of this. Big up day, little indecision day, market breaks down. Up day, indecision day, market moves down at a resistance point. Big day, indecision day, at a resistance point, we could get a breakdown to that red resistance. Well, what was a resistance, that will now be a support. So if we have a big down day tomorrow, that would be our target. We're not saying that that's definitely going to happen, but what we are saying is that gold is coming up to an area of quite strong resistance. We have that purple horizontal trend line, which is now resistance, obviously because we're under it. That's actually held the price quite well. And if we go up a little bit, we're going to have to test that. That thick red line is a strong resistance. And if we have a look at the weekly chart here, that trend line we're showing you right now is the red one that we've just shown you. So any upside will probably be capped right there. Not that we're expecting that to be hit, but it's a possibility. If we go back onto the daily, any of you that are familiar with us know that we're on Facebook. If you search on Facebook, We Make Mints. Basically, we had a few price targets about 2 weeks ago, and we mentioned our longer term one was 12.53. If you actually look at the low of last week was 12.52, which we will highlight. So that was a very good call. We had a few calls for the price projections. They all got hit. We pretty much got, if you look here, 12.52 was the low of that move. We said 12.53. A few weeks before. So come onto Facebook and search for We Make Mints.